Meet Ramp, the finance automation platform designed to save businesses time and money. Ramp integrates with Microsoft Teams to streamline how employees, managers, and accounting teams handle their finances. Employees can ask about their company's expense policies and get answers immediately without needing to go to their finance team and wasting valuable time. After an employee submits a spend request, managers are able to review and approve Ramp transactions directly in Teams, whether they're in front of a computer or on mobile. Finance teams have visibility into company spend in real time. They can analyze team spending patterns and take action to get ahead of any potential overspending. Add Ramp to Teams to start saving time and money today.